Trying to use Norconex but hitting geo-restrictions? Don't worry, with the right proxy setup, you can crawl data from anywhere. Let's see how to set up Norconex with IPRoyal Proxies to keep your workflow seamless. Norconex is an open source web crawling system that lets you crawl and extract data from web pages, fetch and process large HTML documents, and index, analyze, or transform massive amounts of content. You can use it for everything from search indexing to structured data collection, or even competitor price monitoring. But if you try crawling geo-restricted websites, you'll quickly run into connection errors, timeouts, or even complete blocks, especially when your target sites are outside the US. So how do you get around those restrictions and keep your crawls consistent across regions? By pairing Norconex with residential proxies. These proxies route your crawler's requests through real user IPs in your target locations, helping you access geo-restricted content, maintain stable, low-latency connections, reduce block rates, and collect faster, cleaner data from anywhere. So let's see how to set up Norconex with IPRoyal Proxies. I'll be demonstrating this on Windows, but the same logic applies to other operating systems too. Only the paths and commands will look a little different. Alright, since Norconex runs on Java, you first need to install Java on your PC. If you still don't have it, Java Development Kit 11 or later is required. Go to Oracle's official website and download the most recent Java Development Kit. Once the download is complete, find the exe file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. Now, the easiest route is to stick with the default installation folder, which is usually something like this. Click Next a few times and let it install. Now, let's set the Java home environment variable. This is important because it tells Norconex where Java is installed. Go to the folder where your Java Development Kit was installed and copy the full path. It should look something like this. Then, click the Windows icon and type Environment Variables in the search bar. Select Edit Environment Variables for your account. In the dialog box that opens, click Environment Variables at the bottom. Then, under the System Variable section, click New. For the variable name, type Java_home. In the variable value field, paste the installation path you copied earlier. Then click OK. Now, in the same System Variables area, find a variable named Path. Select it and click Edit. Click the New button and copy this line. Click the OK button 3 times to save and close everything. To make sure the installation went well, open Command Prompt and type this. You should now see your Java version listed in the terminal. Now, let's install Norconex. Download the latest Norconex web crawler from the official Norconex website or GitHub. Once downloaded, create a dedicated folder for Norconex. Right-click the zip file you downloaded, select Extract All, and select your Norconex folder on your drive as the destination and click Extract. Once the extraction is complete, locate the Examples folder. Inside, find this configuration file. Right-click on it and open it in your code editor, whether Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or any XML-compatible editor. Now it's time to configure your proxies. Inside your XML configuration, find the HTTP Fetchers section within the crawler block. This is where you add your proxy credentials. Open your IPRoyal Residential dashboard to configure your proxy settings. We'll use high-speed residential proxies from London, the UK, with rotating IPs, but you can adjust your settings as needed. Then, copy your proxy details from your dashboard. Go back to your code editor, insert this block between the HTTP Fetchers tags, and make sure you paste your proxy credentials in the appropriate fields. So it should look like this. Let's break it down. These tell Norconex which proxy endpoint to connect to. Replace them with your actual proxy hostname and port. This defines your protocol, HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5. IPRoyal Residential Proxies support all 3 by default, so you can choose whichever works best for your workflow. This is where your proxy username and password go. This is optional but powerful. It lets you target only certain domains with proxy routing. Once you've added your proxy details, save the XML file and run Norconex to begin your crawl. Don't forget to watch the logs to confirm that traffic is going through your IPRoyal proxies. Then start crawling websites from anywhere without restriction. By applying the right proxy setup, testing your configurations in advance, and respecting website terms, you can build a reliable, compliant, and globally scalable data collection system that runs smoothly under any network conditions. If you want to design a reliable proxy layer for your crawlers, reach out to IPRoyal. Our team will help you architect a setup that's optimized, compliant, and built to grow.